Well, another day at the auction, another day I didn't get anything. Hey, it happens. But let's get to it, you guys. Hey, what's going on, everybody? You know who it is. It's JJ, and we back here at the auction, doing our thing. Out here at Oklahoma Auto Exchange trying to get... Look at that.
Starting his damn video.
Look at that. We got Lucky here starting.
We got Mini-Me Lucky over here.
Oh, man.
We got the knockoff version.
Oh, you see?
Oh! Look at him.
Got Lucky in the building,
JJ's cars and bikes.
Look at Lucky with the Apollo over here. Got the tire stickers, man. I need to give me some tire stickers for my car. Look at that. All this competition we got here today, Huh? Probably so. I don't know, one of these days. Look at this, person can't even drive.
No, they can't.
Look at all these people here today. Look at all these people here today. All this competition here today, all this competition. So that's what makes it hard to buy cars, all these people here. Look at that, all these cars here, over here, back there. You got cars parked all the way over there. You got cars everywhere. And see, that's the big thing. A lot of these dealers here, they use floor plans. So, I use my own cash, so it's a big difference, My cash has a limit. A lot of these people got these $40,000, $50,000, $100,000 floor plans, so their floor plans don't got a limit, so, so that's the only thing. But we'll talk to you guys some more about the floor plan, but let's get a little auction footage. But yeah, you see all these dealers here, more dealers pulling in, dealers over there, back there, all the way back there, and more. Got dealers everywhere. Look at all those people. All those people, man. That's why I always wait a little bit. When those two lanes are just going, I mean, the prices on everything is going to be high. So, they had a sale. Cars, we got it full. They got it filled up now. A lot fuller than what it was yesterday when I came out here. So, yeah, get y'all a little, let y'all see what some of these cars going for. Let's see if the prices are back down to normal today, and then we'll talk to you guys some about what a floor plan is, and try to break it down as good as I can, and then get a little bit more information on other floor plans, and then try to make another video with that. So I'll give you guys everything I know about a floor plan off the top of my head, and then I'll call some floor plan companies, and then try to see if they'll give me a list of like their fees and stuff like that, and then let you guys know if a floor plan is the way to go, what floor plan if you should go with a floor plan, and we'll go from there. But yeah, good amount of cars going today. Yeah, let's get in here to the auction, let some of these cars go through, just wait till these lanes open up, and give us a better chance to buy some cars. So let's get to it. Let's see what this Ford Taurus go for. We're in this car. We're gonna look and see what this car. That's a 99. And this is a 2004 Ford Taurus wagon. So we're gonna see what they go for. And that's usually how I gauge it, how the price is going. I usually look at two older cars and just see what the prices on those go for, and then that kind of lets me know like if the price is still high. So we're about to see what they go for.
Utah 55. Here's 31. Utah 2000. It's a rebuilt title. 607. It's a title.
the prices might be down back to somewhat reasonable. The Ford Taurus wagon, that went for, it went for $1,000, so plus the fee, looking about like $1,200 invested into that Taurus. Still high for a Ford Taurus, but hey, that's me. And then the little Chrysler or whatever Dodge behind it went for $800, so that was a little bit high for that Dodge. I don't really mess with those Dodge Stratus, but it seems like maybe the prices is back to somewhat reasonable, but hey, you never know. But yeah, let's get to it, go get to the lot, and then talk to you guys about the floor plan, and maybe get you one or two more vehicles today here, but we're gonna see. Now I gotta get focused on trying to buy me a vehicle, but yeah, we got a lot coming for you guys. Stay tuned. Dodge Charger. Put it on a phone call for $10,100. Let's see if we can go find it. See where they park. Get a close-up look on it. Where they parking this thing at? Come on, why are y'all taking it all the way down there? Oh man, where y'all parking this car at? So they don't see. When brought 10,100. Let's see. Take a close-up look on it and see was it working. Let's see. Where they at with it? Where did they go? Oh, where did they go with it? Good Lord. Just seen them. Go with it. Not right there. I don't know what they do with it. Hey, what's going on, man?
Warm out here.
Yeah, what did they do with that Dodge Charger? Did it come down this way?
That's that guy right there going there.
Okay.
On the right.
Thank you. Oh, there we go. They moved it all the way over here. Good Lord. Sorry, guys. I was trying to keep up with it. But people get in these cars and go crazy. Look at this Charger. Oh, it's a V6, ain't an RT or anything. Let's see. See kind of interior we working with. Got some seat covers, nice little hood. (2015) 121 on the miles. Went for 10.1. Comment below and let me know if you think that was a good deal for a 2015 Dodge Charger V6 model. I don't really think that was a good deal, not 10,000, because I know brand new a V6 like that is only worth, because Dodge has massive rebates, a new one like that only worth like 20 grand, 24 grand, something like that, if I'm not mistaken. But hey, let's get to it. On the way to more auction, get over with this, and then we're gonna head to the lot, sit down and talk with you guys for about a couple minutes, and get to it. Let's go. It's getting hot out here already. It's only 9 in the morning. It's already close to about 90-something degrees. Crazy, ain't it? Oklahoma for you. Whew, man, prices are still high. And I was on HEB looking on Manheim. The prices are just high everywhere. Just go over some of these crazy prices that I've seen on ACV and on Manheim. We have a 2014 Chevy Cruze, LT, sold for $7,100. 2011 Silverado, yes, lifted, sold for $18,100. 2009 Honda Pilot, they're asking $5,500, didn't sell. 2003 GMC Yukon Denali with no AC, asking $2,500. Body's not in the best condition. Tires not in good condition, but they're asking $2,500. That didn't sell. 94 Cadillac DeVille, pretty clean little car. They're asking $1,500 for it. Crazy. 2005 Acura RSX Type S, 6-speed, a manual transmission Acura. They got the high bid of $7,200 on there. And I just clicked off the bid after it hit $7,200. That's just crazy. But yeah, we want to talk to you guys about these floor plans. So let's get to it. Let's get to it. You know, like I said, long day at the auction, didn't get anything. Didn't want this video to drag on forever and forever. Like, you know, just wanted to keep videos, you know, 10 minutes, 12 minutes, maybe less. But yet, I didn't get to it today. But tomorrow's video, Friday's video, I'll be talking to you guys about the floor plan, my thoughts on the floor plan, and everything, much that I can tell you about a floor plan. And also, you know, I'll try to gather up as much information on these floor plans. So we'll be talking about that in Friday's video. And also I wanted to, you know, I'm gonna get back to, you know, how to get your dealer's license in other states. You know I kind of veered off from that for a while, because I know Texas was the last state I done. So, you know, I want you guys to comment below on which state you want me to get to next. I'll start doing that research Saturday and Sunday, and also I'll get to that next week. So, you know, I've been getting about Illinois, some about Kansas, some about different states, but you know, whatever place you want me to get to next, on what state dealer's license video you want me to get to next, I'll start working on that for you guys next week, and I have videos for you guys next week. So drop that comment below, and then also let me know what you guys think about the prices on these vehicles. To me, they're still high at the moment, so me, you know, I always take the time. I'm patient. You know, if I can't get anything, I just can't get anything. But yeah, I want to thank you guys for all the love and support. Like I said, drop that comment below on which state you want me to work on next, and we're gonna get to that. And I appreciate you guys, love you guys, see you guys in the next videos, and I'm out. Thank you.